WWDC 2024. Netflix beware as Apple TV Plus prepares to challenge with new shows. At this year's Apple WWDC, CEO Tim Cook kicked off the event by commemorating the 5th anniversary of Apple TV Plus, the company's streaming service. Cook proudly announced that Apple TV Plus has consistently delivered the highest-rated originals in the industry for 3 years running. To mark the occasion, Apple unveiled a diverse lineup of new original shows spanning various genres. Among the highly anticipated releases is the second season of the popular thriller Severance, starring Adam Scott, Britt Lower, Zach Cherry, and John Turturro. The series follows Lumon Industries employees who undergo a procedure to sever work memories from their personal lives, leading to unexpected discoveries and a gripping conspiracy narrative. Additionally, viewers can look forward to the return of Silo for its second season, featuring an ensemble cast including Rebecca Ferguson, Common, and Tim Robbins. Other notable titles announced include Presumed Innocent, Lady in the Lake, Bad Monkey, Pachinko, and more. Presumed Innocent, set to premiere on June 12, stars Jake Gyllenhaal in a suspenseful series centered around a murder investigation within the Chicago Prosecuting Attorney's Office. Deputy District Attorney Rusty Sabick finds himself the prime suspect, fighting to clear his name and uncover the truth amid mounting pressure. For Indian audiences, Apple TV Plus subscription is available at 99 Indian rupees per month with a 7-day free trial period. Subscribers can enjoy exclusive content on Apple TV Plus after the trial period ends. In addition to the exciting content announcements, Apple also introduced new software updates, including Vision OS, iOS 18, and Mac OS. With a commitment to delivering innovative entertainment experiences and cutting-edge technology, Apple continues to captivate audiences worldwide through its streaming platform and software advancements.